adored Pinky and Dinky.
Their mum said, "Hi puppies, guess what? Tomorrow is your birthday."
Yay! Can we make some paper chains and help to make the cake? Sure, but don't make a mess. Okay, Mum, we will. Pinky and Dinky find some colour-papered paper and they made some paper chains.
They helped to stir the mixture in a big blue bowl.
Pinky and Dinky were tucked up in their blanket. The stars were shining out the window. When they went to bed, Mum and Dad sneaked out to the lounge and hung up the paper chains to make the room look festive.
"That looks wonderful," said Mum. "Those puppies will feel very delighted and excited when they see their presents and the decorations."
In the morning, Pinky and Dinky put on their birthday hats and came out to see their cakes. Dad brought in the presents and they were so excited and happy.
They tried to open the presents, but that is quite tricky for a dog.
Finally, Pinky opened up the paper and then Dinky opened up the present too.
"Yay, I've got a teddy," said Pinky. "So have I," said Dinky. "Time for the cake," said Mum and Dad. They climbed up onto the steps so they could make a wish and blow out the candles.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pinky and Dinky. Happy birthday to you. Rafa Noah Quay, Rafa Noah Quay, Rafa Noah Quay, Rafa Noah Quay. Pinky and Dinky went to bed with the new kitties, and Mum and Dad came in to kiss them good night.
The twins were snuggled out in bed and they said that was a fun birthday party. "We love our new teddies." Then they went to sleep. When the puppies were asleep and dreaming, the teddies got out of the bed and did the teddy dance.